was interesting. Not how either of us had ever anticipated that to go down.
No, so hopefully you found that as interesting as we did, and we're still slightly in shock. In fact,
yeah,
so
I mean,
shocked you kept redoing.
Well, like after obviously off camera a bit, I said, let's go around. Come on, let's go around another time. I want to give Pete another go. I tried in every little mode on that dial and made no difference. And fair and square, even if I cheated, still couldn't win. So
well, all I can say is that I'm a lot gentler with a car than you.
Yes.
To the point of when he was driving this one, he's broken the gear stick. He's yanked it down so hard to get it from first to second.
Yeah.
And
I won by a bit longer though.
And revved the nut. Yeah, you
got a car length on the first one.
Cheat, you go ahead.
No, only on one I cheated.
No.
Video proof shows only one.
And you're so abusive to the poor car.
Well, hang on. Let me just clarify. What's the name of this title? Panda Drag Race? I don't think you go slow in a drag race.
No, but, you know, poor old Paddy here.
Well, I gave him his best shot and he won.
Paddy here is definitely, well, you've broken the gear stick. We were putting him in for a clutch anyway, so I suppose that did.
Well, there you go. We're just going in for a clutch anyway. Reggie. Oh, he's bottled it.
Reggie.
God, not that paintwork, man.
We did that paintwork.
Come here. So yes, fair and square. The green one, even with Dad, who's more gentler, as he would say, I think he means more gentle. Still won. So fair play.
The facts are, obviously this is an old car, that's a new car. This car is faster, off the mark.
Off the mark for sure.
It's only slower between the gears, we think, because of the fact that the new Panda 6-speed, this is 5, this gearbox and clutch.
And that revs up a lot longer.
Yeah. So that we take away that this engine, off the mark, is quicker.
Yes.
It's almost running at the moment half the price in fuel of the other one.
Yes, it is.
And that's us driving it, each driving it, driving it the same. So we're
very low fours.
Yeah. So very
which is
low
what?
Fours of 100 litres, and the petrol one is 7s.
7s, yeah. At the moment.
That's how we're driving. I mean, I absolutely obliterated this one.
Yeah,
here.
I mean,
my own, for gay driving.
Yeah. But actually, as a thrashing one, this one doesn't seem to go that much above 5, even if you thrash it.
And I think the weight of this one that surprised me, the little bit extra weight I think of this engine, makes it on our twisty road up here a bit more fun.
Yes,
considering the drivetrain and gearbox seem a bit on the slack side.
Yes, they do seem a bit slack.
So it's going into a real man. People seem to think that we know what we're doing. I certainly don't know anything.
No.
And we do. We are spoilt with equipment. But this is going into a professional.
But there are certain things we want to make sure are done properly.
Things have got to be done right. So this is going in for rear differential check because it's making a horrible noise.
Yeah.
And it's going in for a new clutch.
Yes. So that will get done, and then I definitely won't be thrashing it like that.
No, you will.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Well, no, we're doing that before we go too mad off road.
Yes. Yeah, we want to make sure it's all strong and sound.
I don't want to be driven mad by the bills.
No, you wouldn't want to be done. No, driven mad. No, you don't want to be driven mad.
So,
but very interesting.
We've walked on too long.
Yeah.
Reggie's bored. He wants some tucker.
Yeah. So we're going to head off and leave you with that thought: how fast this little bugger is.
Should we? We were going to flog it. Should we put it to 100 horsepower?
Yeah, I think we should put it to 100 horsepower. Let us know in the comments if you think we should make this Panda 100 horsepower, because I think it would be absolute handful, wouldn't it?
Sorry, we're going on it, but the Doblos with this engine,
they're 95. Yeah, so this should easily be able to do 100.
95, no problem. But this is 70 horsepower. Pete's 85, and this is torque is gutless.
Seems gutless, but it's so shining today.
The nuts off it.
You do.
Diesel.
Yeah, so very weird. But hopefully you enjoyed. Thank you.